Are you over 60 and noticing your muscles shrinking even though your weight seems the same? You're not alone. After 60, muscle loss accelerates silently, weakening your body. But what if I told you there are 5 simple, natural fruits that can help you rebuild muscle without supplements or gym routines? Let's talk about these powerful, often overlooked foods that support strong aging. Welcome to 60 Fit, where we help you stay strong, active, and independent well into your golden years. I'm here as your health ally, with science-backed tips to keep your body at its best. Before we dive into the fruits, let's understand what's happening. After 60, your body naturally loses muscle in a condition called sarcopenia. It can lead to weakness, falls, and reduced mobility. The good news? The right nutrients, especially from whole foods, can slow, even reverse this process. And fruits aren't just for vitamins. They hold compounds that protect and restore muscle cells. Let's start with a fruit that's probably already in your kitchen: bananas. Rich in potassium and magnesium, bananas reduce muscle cramps and support muscle contractions. But here's what many miss. Bananas contain resistant starch, which helps manage blood sugar, indirectly supporting energy and recovery. For seniors especially, stable energy equals better movement and healing. Tip: pair a banana with a spoonful of peanut butter for a post-walk muscle-friendly snack. Next up, the tiny but mighty kiwi. Just one kiwi gives you more vitamin C than an orange. Why does that matter? Vitamin C is essential for collagen, which supports muscle tissue structure. It also helps fight oxidative stress, a hidden factor in age-related muscle decline. Kiwis also aid digestion, improving protein absorption, a quiet muscle rebuilding bonus. Third on the list, tart cherries. These may surprise you. Studies show tart cherries reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, especially after activity. They're rich in anthocyanins, which promote faster recovery and help muscles bounce back. Tip: look for unsweetened tart cherry juice or frozen tart cherries. A glass a day can do wonders. The humble apple. Yes, it deserves a spot here. Apples contain a compound called ursolinic acid, mostly found in the peel, which has been linked to increased muscle mass and reduced fat. It may sound too good to be true, but early studies are promising. Just be sure to eat the skin. That's where the muscle magic hides. And finally, mango. Often overlooked due to its sweetness, mango is actually a powerhouse for aging muscles. It's high in vitamin A and beta-carotene, supporting tissue repair, immunity, and even vision. It also contains digestive enzymes that help your body make better use of the protein you eat. A few mango slices after a protein-rich meal? That's a muscle-smart move. Let's recap. The 5 fruits that support muscle recovery and strength after 60 are: 1. Bananas, for muscle cramps and energy. 2. Kiwis, for collagen and protein absorption. 3. Tart cherries, for recovery and inflammation. 4. Apples, for muscle protective ursolinic acid. 5. Mango, for tissue repair and digestive help. Start by adding 1 or 2 to your daily routine. The key is consistency. Your muscles rebuild day by day.